I've got all the parts needed to construct a single column trophy. They're laid out on the table, including the packing list and the instructions. Now remember, if you order multiple sizes, you need to measure your columns and your rods to make sure you're using the correct parts for the trophy you're completing. The first step is to take the threaded metal rod, attach the coupler to the short threaded section, and then add your figure. This is a female victory figure, but we've got literally hundreds to choose from on the website. You want to pass that through the marble lid, shiny side up, and the countersink on the bottom, and then pass this assembly through the column. The column attaches to the base through one of the holes. Now you'll see one hole is further away from the edge than the other. The one that's closest is for the trim, the one that's furthest is for the column. And this gives you the ability to choose the trim on the left or the right, but you need to make sure your figure is facing the correct direction. I'm going to put the trim on the left, face my figure in the correct direction, and set it down using a hex nut to attach the threaded rod to the base just tight enough so that I can make adjustments, get it centered, get my lid on correctly, and then make a final tightening. Now you don't want to have it too tight, you can break things, but it does need to be tight enough so that things don't move when people handle the trophy. We chose the first place trim. We're going to attach that to the other hole in the base using a hex nut, and then it's time to put on the nameplate. Now the nameplate's made of metal, so it can be damaged. You want to be careful not to bend it. But it's got double-sided tape on the back. I peel the double-sided tape off. I line the nameplate up with the base, hovering over, dropping it down, and applying even pressure across the center. And now I've constructed a single column trophy from TrophyKits.com.